Okay, before starting or restarting our new project, again, I'm going to delete this echo game project we just created. We just wanted to show how the reading the variables, defining variables, and printing something on the terminal or on the display works. But now we're going to clean up our projects and create a new one in order to complete our echo game project. So I'm going to right click on the project here. So right click on your project under the project window and then click on delete. And don't worry about it. We're going to just write a new project or this very similar project again. So delete. I'm going to click also on delete source under. So I'm going to delete the whole folder beside the project as well. So click on yes, and the project has been deleted. Now we're going to see that how we can create the project from the very beginning one more time and completing and finishing our echo game.